In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background of an image using Remove.bg, a handy online tool that makes editing photos a breeze. Whether you're working on a project, enhancing your photography, or just exploring creative ways to elevate your pictures, you'll find this guide both simple and effective. First, let's head over to the Remove.bg website. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering Remove.bg into the address bar. This platform specializes in automatically removing backgrounds, but today we'll be using its capabilities a bit differently to focus on blurring. Once you're on the website, you're going to see an option right on the main page labeled Upload Image. Go ahead and click on it. This prompt will allow you to upload the image you wish to edit from your computer or device. Make sure you've got your desired photo ready for this process. Choose the image by navigating through your files and selecting the one that you'd like to blur the background on. With your image uploaded, we're now ready to explore some of the additional effects offered by Remove.bg. Look for the Effects button. Clicking on it will open up a range of tools and options that you can use to modify your image to your preferences. In the Effects section, you'll notice several options available. What we're interested in today is the Blur feature, so search for the Blur Background option. Click on it, and almost instantaneously, you will see how the background of your image transforms into a beautifully blurred canvas, emphasizing your subject by having them stand out more prominently against the softened backdrop. This effect can help bring a professional flair to your images, often making them look like they've been captured with a high-end camera. It's a fantastic way to focus attention on the main subject of your photo, creating depth and an appealing aesthetic without needing any advanced photo editing skills. Once you're satisfied with the result and your image looks just the way you want it, you can simply download the final edited image to your device. Look for the download option, click on it, and save the file wherever you choose. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to blur a background using Remove.bg. Enjoy experimenting with your images, and remember, this tool offers a lot more than just blurring, so feel free to explore additional features that might serve your creative needs. Thanks for watching and happy editing.